Everybody, welcome back to the world of me. My name's Cougar, and this is another episode from our camping and survival series, as well as from our Amazon review series. And this one is pretty simple. We've actually gotten something from this company before, and that's UST. And as you can see, these are the Stormproof matches, or waterproof matches. They do come with a little cylinder. Now, there are only 10 matches in this case. I believe that's about all you can actually fit in the cylinder because the matches are so large. But let's open them up. I'm going to go ahead and try one out and see how well and long it burns. They, of course, do have a little representation commercial on the site, so you can check them out on the page, which, if you want to do that, of course, we'll have a link down there in the description below. All right, so let's go ahead and try these out. One nice thing that is with these two is not only do they come with the matches, but they do actually come with a couple of striker boards so that you can actually light the matches. The container itself doesn't have anything other than, well, it looks like it does actually have a little piece of flint on the bottom there. So if you run out of matches, you still have a little bit of flint there as long as you have something to strike it with. So here are the matches. Now these are reasonable size. They're about the same size as a kitchen match. Maybe just a hair smaller, but I don't think by much if they are. And then we've got the two little striker boards here. Like I said, the matches take up quite a bit of space, so we'll go ahead and put those in here for now. All but one of them. And looks like we could have gotten a few more in there. But then we also want to make sure that we have our little striker boards in there. Leave, of course, one out to try this one. Now, these ones are a little bit different than some of the other ones. They seem to be a little more durable. They have more of a rough coating, so they don't feel like they're glazed like some of the other ones that maybe like a cheaper brand or something like that. We actually got something like this, I think in a pack or a kit or I don't know, something. I do remember getting some like windproof type matches, but I do believe these ones are actually supposed to be much better. So let's see how well these work. Here we go. Oh, and I barely had to try with that. Oh, that's burning pretty good. Lots of smoke here. Whew. They stink. And that is like a blue flame there. Here, well, this is nice. It actually is still staying lit. It actually caught the wood on fire. Most of these that I've used before don't catch the wood on fire. As soon as it goes through that, it goes out instantly, because it's only burning around the outside, and it doesn't catch the wood on fire. So you could, you know, if for some reason the length of time that it burned, which you could see there, it lasts for a while. I mean, it's not lasting forever. It does work very much like a sparkler. It does work pretty decent, so I like these. I think these would be pretty good addition to a pack. There's a little more room here in the top. So you could put maybe a little bit of tinder or something like that up there, or something else. And then it does have the rubber seal right here, so when you screw the lid down, it'll be nice and waterproof. And you won't have to worry about at least the wood part or the boards getting wet. But yeah, pretty simple. You guys want to check these out again. These are the UST Stormproof matches. I'll have a link to them down there in the description below. Don't forget to check out our social media while you're down there. Don't forget to hit a thumbs up on your way down, and don't forget to hit a subscribe button in the corner down below, as well as ringing that bell if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, well, my name's Cougar, this is The World of Me, and another episode from our camping and survival series, as well as the Amazon review series. I'd like to wish you all a good day, and I will see you later. Bye!